Medanas, boy, Medanas. We say Medanas, boy. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love, respect, and prosperity to you all. Alright? So I'm gonna just dive into this because this is simple, this is easy. I have new donors over my page now and then go back, go dig up some video with me and Gracie. And I ask about me and Gracie. So now we have some questions. We just write them down. Um, yeah. So I'm gonna answer them. You know, I think I did video before. I don't know if it's live or what. So it's hard to really go back and go dig up and to find the video them and reshare them. Cause you know, when you have new people on your page and your page is growing, people tend to gravitate and find old video of you. And people do research to find out if you are the kind of person that they don't want to follow